Hello and welcome back, everyone. If you've been following our Hookup Shuffle series, you know we've come a long way in our RV setup. I'm Eric, and in today's episode, we'll be sealing the deal on our trench work.
Alright, this is a big milestone. I thought it would only take me a couple days to get this video out to y'all, but it's taken a couple weeks and some hard weeks. I can't say how hard it was to dig all of this. I'll show you in a video coming up what we're going to do as far as hooking them all up, but at this point I think we're going to move the trailer here and start using these. Well, actually, we can't use them yet because I still got to pick them up. Alright. Thank you. We're getting ready to start filling this back up. I'm excited. My buddy let me borrow this bucket, and it makes a world of a difference.
So you're trying to make a little different layer for the internet and electrical, correct?
Yeah.
So this is internet cable, Cat 6. And then two are electrical for, one for the RV, one for house.
Correct.
It is pretty windy today, but we gotta get stuff done. So we're trying to put the pedestal, RV pedestal, on the ditch.
What?
I was getting poked with that.
Oh yeah, you might have to move. This way.
As you can see, it got a little bit windy. Okay, well, it got really windy, but we had to get it done. We were able to get the pedestal in place, the Cat 6 laid in the trench, and backfill the dirt into the ditch. It wasn't pretty, but we got it done. In the end, this is what we felt like.
I see the light. There's dirt everywhere. It's supposed to be white and it's brown. What the hell?
Oh no.
Drop it. Oh no, it's dirty.
We're covered with dirt anyway.
And always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.